Hi. Once we have Symbisa out of the box, there are only a few steps to follow in order to have it exchanging data. Go to Symbisa Get Started page and click Register. Then fill in your information to create an account to access the web portal. Confirm your registration in your chosen mailbox. Everything set. Let's go to login page. Enter your credentials. Here we are at the web portal. We need to add a device to connect to it. Click Add Device. The serial number of your device is at the display. Type in. Click Next. Follow the instructions and conclude the verification step. Now, our Symbisa is listed in the panel and can be accessed. Click in Dashboard. Okay, here is where we can access all sensors data related to Symbisa. Nothing's listed right now and won't be until we update the firmware. Go to Resource, then download Symbisa Updater Setup and Symbisa Firmware. Run the installer and proceed installation. After those steps, run the updater to proceed firmware update. Load the firmware file. Okay, after updating firmware, unplug your board from USB and press the button. So you turn on your Symbisa. Now access the Symbisa web portal as we did before. Access the dashboard and it should look like this. We now are able to read data, humidity, see if a drop event happened. Here we have already many data. That's because I already used my Symbisa before, and here in the map we can see a track I did. Every red dot is when Symbisa exchanged data. If you want to see the complete data in a spreadsheet format, you can go here and click and then track detail. It will show all the data exchanged with your device and you were able to download it, and you can open in Microsoft Excel or Google Drive spreadsheet. Let's try Google Spreadsheet. Let's file, import, upload. Here, and import data. Here is all the data from web portal exported as a spreadsheet. Then we have several measurements taken, battery level, interval between transactions, latitude, longitude, pressure, temperature. More details can be already in user manual. The link is in the description. So, how does my Symbisa board get all these numbers? Symbisa has a lot of sensors, humidity sensor, pressure sensor, and so on. What happens is that there is a processing unit here which read those sensors and store those values as maximum, minimum, medium. Then when the time comes, through GSM network, Symbisa communicate and then send this plenty of data. Okay, now some details about configuring your Symbisa. Go to device and click settings. Here are some configurations you can change, such as the message to display, as well as barcode, and the interval which the Symbisa exchange data. So let's change the message to show to my name. The barcode, let's say hello world. Confirm, confirm, and the interval. Let's change to 5 minutes. At every 5 minutes, Symbisa will exchange data through GSM. And confirm. And so here's the data as expected. 5 minutes, my name, and the barcode. Symbisa is not going to update instantaneously. You'll have to wait for the next iteration for the time you choose. We set 5 minutes, then in 5 minutes there will be an iteration and the data will be updated. Well, for now that's it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.